Hey there, Creative Sarah here, and today we're going to do our winter snowflakes part 2. So basically we've got our 70% off snowflake cutouts and our 70% off snowflake transfer. We're going to use Ocean Mist, Shimmer Silver, and Storm Chalk Paste in this video. So this awesome sale is only available for the end of December 2022. So if you're watching this video later, sorry, they're not 70% off anymore. Okay, so we are waxing the front of our snowflakes and we are fuzzing our transfers. We're just gonna line up these little open stars on the center of the snowflakes, and we're using our Ocean Mist. You guys, I love Ocean Mist. It is the perfect winter color for snowflakes. Okay, so we're doing our solid stars in Ocean Mist. Then make sure to dry them completely before you add your second layer of the snowflake accent. So the next snowflake, we're gonna do one in silver, we're gonna do one in storm. Pretty much silver and storm are similar colors. It's just the silver is a shimmer glittery color and storm is a matte gray color. This is gorgeous no matter what, and I know it's hard to see, but this we're using our storm, so you can kind of see that's definitely more of a matte color, no shimmer. Once you have this completely chalked on and you've used your squeegee, dry it, and of course we're gonna do a little embellishing. I took some little baby strings and ribbons, and I'm just tying it to the front with a little cute messy bow. It looks awesome and it's so easy to do. You just put it through one of the little snowflake arms or sections basically. So here you have it. Guys, make sure you follow me for all more ideas and inspiration. CreativeSarah.com, check it out, and of course grab your 70% off discount stuff right away at Chalkatour.com/CreativeSarah. Have a great night and thanks for watching.